Hi, everybody. It's day 4, and I am so excited to see what we have in here. Oh, look how cute this is. Look how cute this is. This is such a great binder, great quality. It helps us organize our patterns. And so we've got these great little dividers right here. Things come together a stitch at a time. When life gets you scraps, make a quilt. Measure twice, cut once. And then we have these very nice, heavy-duty pattern sleeves. So you can put one pattern facing both ways, and it's a great place to store your patterns. And just for you guys, you get a special pattern that's just for you that's going to come out in a tutorial. So happy day 4.